everyone, welcome in and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something simple but iconic, a river cruise around Marina Bay Sands. For the same, you can take a ticket for around $25. Now, you've probably seen MBS in photos, you've seen it in movies, and you've seen it on postcards, but seeing it from the water, completely different vibes. It's giving luxury, it's giving futuristic, it's giving Singapore understood the assignment. This building doesn't just stand out, it dominates. As the boat starts moving, Marina Bay Sands slowly comes into full view. 3 towers, one massive sky park sitting on top like it defies the gravity. And do you know the pro tip? The pro tip is to buy the cruise tickets for around 7:45 p.m. because then you can enjoy Spectra, a light and water show which happens at 8 p.m. for around 15 minutes. I have attached a clip for you to view how fantastic it looks and feels. Now, we're cruising deeper into Singapore River, and this is where things get vibrant. First up, Boat Quay. It is lined with colorful shop houses that date back to 19th century. Today, it's packed with restaurants, bars, and outdoor dining spots. You'll see people enjoying seafoods, drinks, and river views. It's lively but still charmingly historic. And just ahead, the electric atmosphere of Clarke Quay. It feels like a completely different vibe. Bold colors, neon lights, live music, and nightlife energy. At night, this area transforms into one of Singapore's exciting party spots. From the boat, you can see beautifully preserved heritage buildings mixed with modern canopies and vibrant reflections on the water. It's a perfect example of how Singapore blends old and new seamlessly. Now last but not the least, the Merlion statue. From the boat, you can avoid the crowds and get the perfect uninterrupted view. That's it for today's boat tour around Marina Bay. If you liked it, do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know which spot is your favorite, the iconic skyline or the vibrant river life. See you until then, bye bye.